eToro or Coinbase? Which one has lower fees in 2026? At first, both look like simple ways to invest in crypto and other assets, but the real difference shows up when you start trading regularly, and fees can quietly eat your profits if you're not careful. First, let's talk about eToro. eToro offers crypto trading along with stocks and ETFs on the same platform. When it comes to crypto fees, eToro typically includes costs in the spread, meaning you don't always see a separate commission, but the price you buy or sell at is slightly adjusted. It also charges withdrawal fees and currency conversion fees depending on your account setup. Now let's look at Coinbase. Coinbase is a dedicated crypto exchange, so its fee structure is more direct. You usually pay a transaction fee or spread depending on the trade type. While it offers strong security and ease of use, fees can be higher on smaller transactions unless you use advanced trading tools like Coinbase and Binance. The biggest difference is transparency versus convenience. So which one is better for fees? If you want a simple platform with multi-asset investing, eToro is more convenient overall. If you're focused purely on crypto and want a dedicated exchange, Coinbase gives you more control and clarity on trading costs. For frequent traders, fees on both platforms can add up, so strategy matters more than the platform itself. eToro versus Coinbase. Now you know how the fees really compare in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto and investing comparisons just like this.